Would you do this? This was a totally crazy idea, taking the Sportsman trailer and gutting it from start to finish, but we hope it inspires you to get a little more colorful and a little more creative in your own life. So flip through all these from start to finish to see the whole process. And the cool thing is, if you stay tuned and follow along, we're going to be adding more murals, more stick on tile, more patterns in this trailer, and eventually have an art cabin too on our little patch of land in this life. And the kids helped a lot along the way, and it was fun to empower them and see how their creativity could change in this space when it didn't really matter what they created, because we were just having a blast, and that's what it's all about. So let us know if you have any questions, pop them down below. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you in the spring when we park this at the lake.
Oh my God.
Ooh.
I think we're going too far sideways now.
Yeah.
I'm kind of making it faster.
Forgot our machetes. Forgot to pack one today.
Yeah, over here, Gus. Over here. Over here. Over here, Gus.
Yeah. That's natural. Don't worry. You're okay.
All right, this is the before shot.
Anyways.
Imagine he is. Imagine they
I know it's like you can do one thing and then another thing and then another thing. I just don't know how we'll hang. I don't know how we'll hang future curtains. Just wait. Just wait. Like, okay, let's just, I don't know.
them off.
Oh, I see. Someone like made those, I think.
Yes.
Oh, they made these curtain things. Okay, well, let's just.
Are they already? They're already back?
Oh my gosh. Here is all the junk we've pulled out today in just a couple hours. Totally taking it all apart. Just like, you know where you pick like a little scab and then you end up like picking it all off? That's what's going on. All right. That is wrap on day 2. Sanded a lot of the surfaces, took all the, which I wasn't planning on taking all the cabinets off, but I did. And the boys helped a lot. They took most of the cabinets off and the hardware. I'm really excited because we have a really cool place called Restore, and they have like vintage handles. So I'm going to check that out, see what we can get for doorknobs and handles and different items. I'm sure we'll find some real gems. But yeah, I don't know. I just have mural paint, so it's going to be really bright in here to choose from. No decor colors, really. Just mural stuff. So we'll see what we come up with. I forgot to tell you. Oh, I'll save it for a surprise. We did the table instead of this stuff, which I wish I could do all over, but honestly, this is going to park at the lake. We're going to use it for like a year or two, and then it's a teenager camper. We got it pretty inexpensively. And I had just finished a mural job, luckily, so I could pay cash for it. And yeah, so we can't do too much, but this is probably too much. So anyway, I got the butcher block, Dan the carpenter at Windsor Plywood, got he did an amazing job. So at least that's getting replaced. That'll I can't wait for it all to come together. It's very good. I'm excited. Yay! I'm glad you're a part of this too. This is fun. Fun-ish / I should be working, you know? Okay, so day 3, I'm on day 4, but day 3, I'm bunning up my hair so it doesn't get primer in it, which it probably already has. Was completely slow and barely productive because I had to wait for the primer to dry just to ensure that it's stuck to all these weird glossy surfaces that I kind of sanded. I don't have all the patience and I'm not detail oriented. So most of it's passed the scratch test. I like the quality. I checked out 2 products and I got in an argument with ChatGPT. The Bullseye 123 is okay, but the Bear bonding, way better. So I'm actually gonna mix them together because they're effing expensive. So yeah, priming this whole thing, it's gonna take freaking forever. Gus and I are getting pretty close to finished with these bunks. It's looking pretty cool. And then after we do that, we will be able to add murals, which will be really cool. Murals.
Try to do the mural tomorrow at least, so maybe start it today.
You could do the mural tomorrow. That's a good goal.
Actually, we'll finish the mural tomorrow.
Yeah.
Start it today. Oh my god!
No, we can't start it today. I
Why?
gotta prime the cabinet at some point. All right, so we are back in here. Things are starting to get really colorful, which is exciting. And the little bunkhouse in the back, the boys, this is the color they chose. It's about to get really reflective in here, which would be cool, like a photo shoot. Like a super with teal reflect. Anyways, that's the artist in me, the portrait artist. Let's paint this with the neon blue on the skin tone. Whatever, I said the things wrong, but so I've got my Amazon stuff is here today. Only because that's the only place I could find really neat knobs on such short notice. Cute, right? And I'm gonna put the cabinet door wraps because my hinges are here, so let's do that. Okay. You can tell one eye's in the ditch. I think I'm going crazy. I've been rolling white now for like 3 weeks straight in this trailer. Primer, primer, cutting in, and then cutting in again, and then white. Yep. Almost so close to the white being done. Oh, it's so hard. It's so boring. But the reward is coming soon. I look a little worse for the... Oh no! Oh no. Oh gosh. Here's my filter. That's how tired and hot I am. I have melasma from the heat. Hormones. So fun. All right, we got this ruggedly handsome man installing the flooring now. It's gonna look good, and I'm no longer allowed to spill paint, which is going to be a problem for me. I'll try my best. My best isn't careful though. Really. Like, that's my best. But I'm finishing my third coat, I think, of this light blue, which is really, really pretty. And we're doing vinyl just because it's a trailer. Makes sense. This is great though. We had it in the store at Windsor Plywood. Very easy to install. Right?
I don't know yet.
You've never installed vinyl before?
No, I'm not gluing it down.
No? Okay, daily progress today. Can't really tell. Well, actually, yes, the brown was covered up, which was that brown, which is also getting covered up because it scratched too easily. So, anyway, ended up going with getting all the paint to be this finish because it's just cabinet, door, trim, enamel. It's way better. It's so obviously better. it just doesn't chip when you hit it or show a scratch when you scratch it. So this will be good for this area, but yeah, that brown was still has to cut in. Anyway, Carly got a lot of the flooring done, and that looks good. So soon we will be able to assemble the table area if we can remember how to put it back together, I guess.
Well, I didn't take it apart, so.
I took it apart, that is for sure. I finished this very blue wall that will one day host a mural, but probably in the spring, so I'll have a year to think about it. And look at our cozy little bed area. It will be cozy. I've gotten the pillows already. Oh, there we go, a seat. Very cool. We have to finish the flooring, which I doubt my husband will have time for. We're gonna have budget blinds come in and do some blinds, some pull downs, some blackouts, because sleeping here I saw the sunrise this morning pretty bright and early. Yeah, so flooring definitely before. I think we'll order the blinds and install them in March. Yeah, I'm not going to do stick-on tiles yet. I'm going to save that for spring because it's pointless to do it through the winter and have it go through all that cold and hot and cold and hot. But yeah, so I'm going to do knobs and cabinet doors today while the boys hang out with their grandpa out at the farm and pick apples and have fun and run around the garden. It's a gorgeous day.